Almost all the world's great cities are located on coasts or rivers, and Glasgow is no exception. By far Scotland's biggest, most intriguing and vibrant city, it has a proud heritage of industry, invention, trade and commerce. Nowadays, the skyline is punctuated with stylish modern buildings, great venues for visitors and citizens alike, and the streets buzz with purpose and energy. The River Clyde is the heart of the city. Situated close to the centre of town on the south bank and just opposite the Hydro Music Venue and Scottish Exhibition and Conference Centre, a space-age tower and a glittering titanium building is surrounded by open public spaces. Glasgow Science Centre, Scotland's largest and most innovative, packs 3 floors of amazing interactive exhibits into a crescent-shaped space reminiscent of a boat's hull. Step through the doors with us and explore what's inside. Relax and enjoy yourself. The Science Centre is no museum. It's a place where you can do fun science. It's exciting, intriguing, something to experience. And the more you try things out and play with the exhibits, the more fun you'll have. Plus, everything you do will give you some insight into scientific ideas and concepts. The fundamentals of science explain how the world goes round. No joke! Our planetarium and space gallery explore the universe, stars and planets, and you can see back in time or forward into the future. Explore these phenomena some more. The plasma ball, the spark generator, electricity and magnetism, tricks and fun with light and mirrors, how an aeroplane flies, and a ball can balance on a jet of air. All these and others are often on floor 1 in an ever-changing collection of classic exhibits you're invited to play with and learn from. Want to see flashes, awesome chemistry, strange effects and bizarre science? Take around half an hour to visit the free shows in our Science Show Theatre. From the moment you settle into your seat, you're in for a special event unlike anything else in Glasgow. Become part of the experiment. We're always keen to welcome a volunteer or two from the audience, or relax and see some of the stranger sides of science in action. George Bernard Shaw said, "You don't stop playing because you grow old because you stop playing." We like to start our visitors off at a young age. All aboard the Big Explorer. Anybody can have a great idea, and thank goodness for that, because from the wheel and fire through to the forefronts of current day science and technology, everything started with a special question. So here's a place to play and experiment. Design and test your own electric car. Make a paper plane that flies further. Land an egg without breaking it. We're in a zone that lets your creativity and ingenuity free to flourish. And who knows, you might experience that moment when you think, aha, I wonder, as a first step on the path to inventing something. Floor 3 is a whole floor given over to a single subject, one of the most personal and fascinating, the science of you. Bodyworks explores the factors affecting human health and well-being in the 21st century. Guard against infection in a virtual game where you become an antibody. Let our mind ball read your brainwaves, or examine how artificial limbs mimic the real thing. In this area, we've taken interactivity to the next level, and you can record your achievements, reclaim them online from the website, and compare them with anonymous data drawn from other participants. Can you land like a cat? How many watts can you generate on a bike? Just where do you fit into the height profile of our visitors? In a world of straight lines and square shapes, it's fascinating to explore the organic and biological. You can watch as we dissect lungs, examine microscope slides of miniature creatures, and delve into the mechanics of the human heart. Make time too for an Imax documentary. These 45-minute 3D films, shown on Scotland's biggest screen, pull you right into the picture. Sometimes the film topic combines with the exhibitions in the Science Centre. Sometimes it brings a different point of view. Either way, it's 45 minutes of magic. All that enjoying yourselves and doing things makes you hungry. Take it easy in our cafe with homemade cakes, fresh brewed coffee, hot meals and sandwiches. We love having you visit Glasgow Science Centre. Before you go, take a look at the shop. Plenty of science mementos and pocket money toys and gifts. And remember, every invention starts with that "I wonder" moment.